If you want to master a skill and be sure you're covered with all the must-have tools, we got your back.
Enter collections. These are basically playlists with the most important classes that you should be taking to reach your professional goal.
They're designed with the advantages of a course, but putting your schedule as a priority. It's totally flexible, and you can pick any class at any time.
You can start by exploring collections by topic and pick a skill you need to add to your expertise.
Check out all the classes and the Taught By section showing you the actual experts who will be teaching you.
Hit subscribe, and there you go. From that point on, you'll be notified about all the available classes.
Scroll through and book any class whenever you want.
Reserve your seat, and you're in. Track your progress, and when you've completed the entire collection, you'll get a certificate to share on your LinkedIn profile. Or any profile, just saying.